When most people start on a weight loss program, they usually focus on changing what they eat. But how you eat, how you're cooking your food, and the way you're eating your meals may be just as important. In other words, bad eating habits may play as big a role in weight loss as your diet. Here are 10 common dinner habits that contribute to weight loss program failure. Too much salt. Your body needs a certain amount of salt or sodium, but many people don't realize how much salt is already in the food they eat. Adding a lot of salt from the salt shaker leads you to crave more bad foods and eat more fatty foods overall. Dousing salads with dressings. Eating a salad along with dinner gets some nutritious vegetables into your body. It also helps fill you up a bit so you eat less high-calorie food. But if you drown your greens with dressing, you're not saving calories as much as you think. Many off-the-shelf salad dressings are packed with added sugar and questionable ingredients, so your salad will be a lot less diet-friendly. Adding store-bought tomato sauce. Like salad dressing, many types of tomato sauce contain added sugar, sodium, and preservatives. Read labels on store-bought jars of tomato sauce so you know what's in them. The more natural, the better. Frying your food. Frying can strip food of important minerals while adding calories in the form of unhealthy saturated fats and oils. Using big serving plates. When your food comes on a smaller plate, the serving seems to be larger. This can trick your brain into thinking you're about to eat more than you really are. Portion control is a major factor in weight control. You eat too fast. When you're hungry, you tend to gobble down your food faster, which makes it harder to notice exactly how much you're eating. There's been research indicating that slower eaters consume fewer calories per meal. Eating in front of the TV. When you eat while watching TV, you're likely to pay less attention to how much you eat. You tend to eat more when you're distracted by what's on the screen. You're eating at the wrong time. When you work late and eat late, there's a good chance you'll crash and fall asleep with a full stomach. That's not good for your waistline or your metabolism. Studies show that it's better to finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. You're not drinking enough water. Some people drink sodas and other sweetened beverages when they sit down for a meal, and that's never a good idea. It's important to drink water before and during mealtime. One recent study concluded that drinking water 30 minutes before a meal contributed to weight loss among study participants. You're not draining and rinsing canned foods. Canned vegetables and beans come packed in liquid. If you don't drain off that liquid and rinse the contents, you can end up adding unnecessary sodium and starches to your meal. The 10 common bad habits mentioned in this video are all small things to be sure, but avoiding them can truly help keep you healthy and trim as part of a dedicated weight loss program.